So now guys, we will create the code again about the guessing game from the previous video, but now it will be a slightly harder because we need to put there how many guesses we would like to give to the user. Okay, so it means you can guess again. So for example, a guess count will be number 3. Okay, so you have only 3 guesses. Okay, let's go. So at first I will import random. Okay, because we need to choose a random random character from the characters list. At first I would like to print some welcome string, welcome text. Welcome to the Harry Potter guessing game. Okay, it's just welcome text, nothing special. Here will be characters. So here will be again Harry, Ron, Hermione, Drago, and Albus. Okay, you can store it more options if you want, it's up to you. Now we choose a random character, only one of them. So we imported the random because of it. Okay, so random choice, and from what? Choice from what? Characters. So we just check it, print character, no characters, character, and we will see if it is correct. So I will run it. You can see now it's Drago, now it's Harry, now it's Albus, and so on and so on. Okay, it works. Perfect. So I will stay with this print. Okay, so now guess of the user is empty string, and guess count will be number 3. You can put here number 4, for example, if you want. It's completely up to you. Okay, but I put here number 3. So I want to print to the user that number of items is guess count. Okay, because we need to tell to the user how many times he can guess. Correct? So we print this. So this print characters is only for checking. Okay, so we know what's the correct result, what's the correct guess. Okay, but it's only for code testing. Okay, after that we will delete it, but now I would like to stay with it. So now I will run it, and you can see welcome to the Harry Potter guessing game. Now it's our fraud that we know the result, Harry. We need to guess Harry, and number of the items is 3. Okay, great. So now we will write a while cycle. Be careful, because while cycle will be a slightly harder, slightly difficult, or more difficult. So while character is not equal to guess, so it means our guess was wrong. Okay, so it means while our guess is wrong, and if guess count is not equal to 0, so it means we have some guesses. Okay, so it means guess count is not equal to 0, so it means guess count is, for example, number 2, so it means we have 2 guesses. So if the guess count is not equal to 0, we can guess. So we will ask user input, and again guess the character from the Harry Potter movie. Again, we can put here a new line if you want. Okay, but now if we will ask the user, we need to take a guess count and decline about 1. So it means guess count -1, right? So you can write it in long code like this, but I will use the professional one. It means like this. Okay, these lines are completely the same. So this I will use this professional shortcode. Okay, so it means guess count is -1 and store it in guess count again. So if we have 3 options, 3 items, so it means guess count is not equal to 0. Okay, because we have 3 is not equal to 0. So we will ask the user, he can or she can guess, And after that, guess count will be not 3 but 2, because it's guess count minus 1 and store it in guess count. Okay, I hope you understand, guys. So now I will print, because we need to tell to the user how many guesses he has, right? So number of items is guess count, this variable. Okay, does it make sense? I hope yes. So what's the else? What does it mean else? So if the guess count is not equal to 0, so it means we have some items, so we can guess. But if it is equal to 0, what does it mean? Does it mean that we have no more guesses? So print the number of guessing items has been exhausted. So it means we are run out of guesses, right? So it means we have no guesses, no more guesses. Okay, but what does it mean? If it is 0 and we can't guess, so it means the while cycle has to stop. But how we can do that? So we spoke about it. We have a break. Okay, if there is a break, it means while cycle is over. Okay, so if this condition will be false, this will be printed, and the break means while cycle is over. Okay, so okay, perfect. But now we still have one problem. We don't know if the guess is correct, right? So we need to check it if the guess is correct. So it means when the game is finished. So if character is equal to guess, okay, we print you guess it. Well done, Mr. Potter. Well done. Like this. Okay. So we need to check it. After the guess, we need to put here one if statement and evaluate if the guess is correct. And if it is, we will print it. Okay. So if the character will be equal to guess, so it means it will print this, and this condition will be what? So guess character will be equal to guess, so it means character is not equal to guess, is false, and it's end. Okay, so we can print here something like the game is over. I hope it makes sense. I hope, guys, it makes sense. So we will try and we will see. Okay. But here I printed the character, so I know what's the correct guess, right? So, welcome to the Harry Potter guessing game. The correct answer is Harry. Number of items is 3. Guess the character from the Harry Potter movie. So, at first I will, for example, guess Albus. So it means number of items is 2. Guess again, because it wasn't correct. So Ron, for example, number of items is 1. Guess the character from the Harry Potter movie. Okay, again. So I will write something wrong. For example, Drago. You can see number of items is 0. The number of guessing items has been exhausted. The game is over. Okay, and it seems it works fine. I will run it again. Now the correct answer is Drago. So sorry, it's not Drago, right? It's Draco, right? And Drago is a pronunciation. Is it correct? I hope I hope, guys. Okay, I will run it. So now the correct answer is Ron. So I will ask Albus at first, and now I will ask Ron. Okay, number of items is 1. You guess it. Well done. The game is over. Okay, perfect. I hope, guys, you understand. I know this is more difficult, so sometimes you need to think about it. Okay, it is not about that you need to write this code from the bottom of your heart. So it means you need to write it for the first item. it isn't good the goal. So you need to check it and you need to understand. That's the point. You need to read the code in this situation. Okay, so please try to understand why we do that. So if you are not sure why this condition is here, so just comment it out and try that now. And you will see that there is a problem, that we don't know if the character was okay, of the guess was okay or it isn't. Okay, so you can try that, you play with it. I know it's more complex, or this is more complex, but I hope you will be able to understand.